Welcome, my little explorers. Today, my fruit garden is ready for picking.
Wow! Look at all the colors, Grandpa. Are these apples?
Yes, Peppa. They are red and very crunchy. And those over there are yellow pears.
Apple. Apple?
Careful, George. Let me reach them for you.
Ho ho! I think the tree wanted to help us pick them.
Now, let's see which fruit is the sweetest. Peppa, why don't you try this slice of orange?
It's very juicy and sweet. I love oranges. They are like little suns in my mouth.
And for you, George, here is a ripe pear. It's very soft and perfect for you.
Pear! Tasty!
My turn. I think I should taste everything. You know, just to make sure they are all good quality, of course. It's a very important job.
You are just hungry, Daddy Pig. You don't need to test all of them.
Ho ho, I am just being thorough. Mummy Pig. Oh, look at this grape. Is it a sweet grape or a sour grape? I must investigate.
Daddy, you've already eaten 3 apples and a banana. Are you still testing?
Well, this is a very difficult job, Peppa, but someone has to do it.
If Daddy Pig eats all our test samples, we won't have any left for the fruit salad.
No, Daddy. No.
All right. I shall stop testing for now. But only because George asked so nicely.
That's a good daddy. Now, let's pick some more fruit to fill the basket properly.
Come along, Peppa and George. Today is a special day in the orchard.
Why is it special, Grandpa? The fruit is already ready on the trees. Orchard?
This bag contains a special soil, and we are going to use it to plant a new fruit tree sapling.
A little tree like that? When will it have apples and oranges and pears?
Soon enough, Peppa. But first, we must plant it carefully.
And you must read the guide, Grandpa. It tells you how deep to plant it.
I know how deep, Mummy Pig, but it is a very good guide.
A very important job. Planting a new tree, we must make sure it gets good soil and water.
Precisely, Daddy Pig. All right, Peppa. Use the special soil from the bag and fill the hole around the roots.
Like this, Grandpa.
Exactly, Peppa. A nice deep bed of good soil.
Water. George, not too much. You will give it a bath.
A little water is good, George. It helps the soil settle.
The guide says to pack the soil gently, not too hard.
Now, for the final touch. I will use this twine to gently secure the sapling to a small stake to help it grow straight.
A very important job.
Will we have our own peaches and pears and apples on this tree, Grandpa?
Yes, Peppa, and in a few years, we will all be eating fruit from this very tree that you helped plant.
I am a tree planter.
Grunt pears.
Look, the red apples look delicious. I'll pick them. Dinosaur, strawberry, yum.
Everyone is doing a great job. We will have enough fruit to make a delicious smoothie for lunch.
Don't worry. Daddy Pig is an expert at picking fruit from the top.
Daddy, be careful.
I'm fine. Wow, this pear is huge.
Strawberry, yummy. Thank you, George. Gifts from nature are wonderful.
All right, the baskets are full. Let's head home now.
Yes, Mummy.